Hello everyone. Good morning my dear parents and children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and healthy. Children, today's date is 25th of July 2020 and today is Saturday, Saturday. And welcome back to our EVS class. Children, as you all know, we have completed our lesson number 5, that is food we eat. Lesson number 5, food we eat. We have already completed and today we are going to revise this chapter. Okay, today we are going to revise this chapter. I am going to read the chapter and all the exercises and whatever classwork I have given you, I am going to revise it for you. Okay, so take a pencil in your hand, children, and start reading with me. Lesson number 5, food we eat. All of us need food to live. Food helps us to grow. It keeps us healthy and strong. We get all our food from plants and animals. We should always eat clean, fresh and healthy food. Unhealthy food makes us unfit and lazy. Types of food. Different types of food helps in a different ways. Potatoes, sugar, jaggery, honey, butter and food grains such as rice, wheat, barley and maize gives us energy to work and play. Thus, they are called energy-giving foods. Fish, eggs, chicken, meat, pulses, milk and curd builds our bones and muscles. They help our body to grow and make our bones and teeth strong. Thus, they are called bodybuilding foods. Fresh vegetables and fruits keep us active and fit. They protect us from diseases. Thus, they are called protective foods. Where do we get our foods from? We depend on plants and animals for our food. Plants gives us fruits, vegetables, sugar, tea, coffee, pulses such as peas and lentils, and food grains such as rice, wheat, corn and barley. We get fruits, vegetable, coffee and cereal from plants. Chicken, meat, eggs, milk and honey are some of the foods that we get from animals. Cows gives us milk. We use this milk to make yogurt, curd, ghee and butter. Hens and ducks give us eggs and meat. We get honey from honeybees. We get chicken, meat, fish, eggs, honey from chicken, meat, fish, eggs, honey from animals. There are some people who do not eat fish, meat, chicken and eggs. They are known as vegetarians. People who eat fish, meat, chicken and eggs are called non-vegetarians. However, some vegetarians in India also eat eggs. Good habits. Good food habits. We should follow good food habits to stay fit and healthy. Let us read about some of these habits. We must have healthy meals at fixed times. We should wash hands with soap before and after meal. We must eat fresh, clean and healthy food. It helps us to be in a good health and also keep our mind active. There are some foods such as chips, burgers, french fries and pizzas that are easy to prepare, very tasty to eat. However, these foods are not healthy as they contain a lot of fats, salt and sugar. These foods are called fast foods or junk foods. Some of the good food habits. We must wash fruits and vegetables before eating. We must avoid talking while eating. We should not eat uncovered foods. We must chew our food well. We must chew our food well. We should not eat in a large quantities. We must avoid eating from roadside vendors as they often keep the food uncovered. The foods they sell are not always very clean. We must never waste food and water. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Water help us to digest the food. We should avoid having snacks such as samosas, namkeens, packed popcorns, etc. in between meals while watching television or working on computers. 4 meals a day. We eat different types of food at different times of a day. We must eat 4 meals a day to remain healthy and strong. We start our day with a healthy breakfast at 8 o'clock. Then at 1 o'clock we have lunch in the afternoon. Again 4 o'clock we often have juice or milk and cookies in the evening before going to play. And then at 8:30 we have a light dinner at night. Brunch is the meal that is eaten between the breakfast and lunch times. We usually eat brunch on holidays if we get up late in the morning. Cooked food. We cook food to make it soft and tasty. Cooked food is easy to digest. Some foods such as carrots, radish, onions and fruits can be eaten raw. Pulses, chickens, meat and vegetables such as potatoes and cauliflowers have to be cooked before eating. Summing up, food gives us energy to build our bones and muscles, protect us from diseases. Food are dependent on plants. We depend on food for We are dependent on plants and animals for food. We eat 4 meals a day. Some foods are eaten raw, some are cooked. We should follow healthy food habits to stay fit and healthy. Okay, children, write G for good habits and B for bad habits. First one is good habits. You are washing your hands. Second is you are wasting food. B, bad habits. Again, you are watching TV. This is bad habit. You are very close to the TV. You should sit back. So this is a bad habit. And last one is good habits. You are eating your food in neat and proper way. Fill in the blanks. We depend on plants and animals for our food. Fresh vegetables and fruits protect us from disease. We use milk to make yogurts, curd, ghee and butter. We must chew our food well. We must never waste food and water. These are the 5 fill in the blanks we have written in our textbook notebook also, children. Yes? Next is, where do we get the following foods from? A for animals and P for plants. Pulses, we get pulses from plants. Eggs we get from animals. Honey we are getting from again animals. Milk we are getting from again animals. Spinach we are getting from plants. Meatballs we are getting from animals. Next is, answer the following question. Why do we eat food? We have written in our notebook. Yes, children, why do we eat food? We eat food to stay healthy and strong. Who are vegetarian? Some people who do not eat fish, meat, chicken and eggs, they are known as vegetarian. Who are non-vegetarians? People who eat fish, meat, chicken and eggs are called non-vegetarian. Write 4 good food habits. First one is, we must have healthy meals at a fixed time. We should wash hands with soap before and after meal. We must avoid talking while eating. And last one is, we must chew our food well. Okay, these are the 4 good healthy food habits. How many meals do we have in a day to remain healthy and strong? We must take 4 meals in a day to remain healthy and strong. We must eat 4 meals in a day to remain healthy and strong. And last one is, again I have given you children 6th question, what is brunch? Brunch is a meal that is eaten between the breakfast and the lunch time. Brunch is the meat that is eaten between the breakfast and lunch time. And last is why we cook food. Why we cook food? I have given you homework. Why we cook food? We cook food to make it soft and tasty. Yes? And cook food is easy to digest. We cook food to make it soft and tasty, and it help us to digest. Okay children, this is the answer. Okay, and last one is I have given you the list of healthy. And last one is I have given you list of healthy and unhealthy foods. Healthy foods are fruits, vegetables, milk, leafy vegetables and eggs. Yes. Milk, vegetable, fruits, leafy vegetables, eggs, pulses. And unhealthy foods are burger, pizza, cola, french fries, chocolates. Yes. You have to write like this children. List of healthy and unhealthy foods. Okay. This lesson is finished. From Monday we are going to start our new chapter. Okay. Thank you for watching children. Have a nice day.